everyone, welcome to my channel, which is this video. And today I'm going to show you guys a special makeup look. It's very specific to what I'm going through right now, and I haven't really seen that many videos, any videos really, about this topic, and I think that it'd be really helpful and fun. So today we are going to do a conjunctivitis pink eye makeup tutorial. Whenever you get pink eye, your life doesn't stop. You just gotta keep going. You know, if you have a cute date, probably shouldn't be going on dates because you have conjunctivitis, which can be extremely, contagious. And the number one thing that you're gonna want to remember is that anything that touches your eye is contaminated, and you should wash your hands every time you touch your eye or your face. My main issues are redness and greasiness from this ointment that I'm having to squirt into my eye. For our tools today, you're going to be needing several Q-tips, like a face base. We're going to start with our face powder, and we're just going to put that on to the Q-tip, and we're just gonna rub that on our eye. And going with a different side of the Q-tip. If you really want to be super particular about contamination, you're going to want to do the following. Get whatever you're using and a receptacle like this chocolate box, and you're just going to want to scrape this into the box. Just scrape it a little bit, you know, maybe a lot. Just get a bunch of powder on there. And now you have plenty of powder to work with that won't recontaminate your eyes. So this is our powder, and we're just gonna get a brush, and you choose a brush that you're gonna wanna throw away after this. So this is a computer cleaning brush, and you're just gonna get your powder on it, and you're just gonna wanna lightly, you know, add it to your face. And then we're gonna go in with a Q-tip, get some of that powder, and put it on our eyes. Now, you might have some trouble blending it out with a Q-tip, but you have conjunctivitis. There's really not much you can do. So try to use a different side of the Q-tip every time, or if you're really serious about it, just use a different Q-tip every time you dip back in. The whole face looks bad, actually, if we can just get real for a quick second. Now we're just gonna do our eyebrow area with our fingers, which is probably fine, but if you're a doctor, don't at me. And now we are gonna get setting powder. We're kind of gonna dump a little bit out into our artist's palette, and you're just gonna wanna press down any greasy areas, which is basically my entire face, my entire life, but this time avoid the eye area. So once we've mattified our face, it looks a lot better in my opinion. You might disagree, and if that's the case, I don't care. We're just gonna go right in because I just can't be bothered to care about this anymore. Everything in my life is going wrong, so why fight it? You know, like, just accept it. Everything's fine. I almost look normal. As you can see, my eyes are really red. You're welcome for that terrifying thumbnail. We are gonna go in and brighten that up just a little bit. I know that my face is really red, but that'll calm down soon, hopefully, probably not. And just go right there. Make that even more red than it is. If your face is all one color, your eyes are gonna pop, and you don't want that. You're gonna add some color, maybe just put some on your nose if you wanna be an e-girl like that. But for me, it's more like looking like I've actually been outside for once in my life, which I have not. Fun fact. The brows. The whole point of this is to draw attention away from your eyes and draw your attention towards your brows or any other feature on your face. And should I tweeze my eyebrows? Yeah, probably. Like, do my eyebrows look completely terrible? Yeah, but I don't know what else to do at this point. What kind of brow shape is this, do you think? I'm just screaming. I can't stop screaming. Everything is going wrong. What is this? Holy crap. If you can't tell, the only reason I'm doing this is for attention, so please like and retweet this video. I'd love if this could be monetized because I need money to fix this brow. Plastic surgery would be great. I can't even, I don't know what to do anymore. That's just, don't touch your eyes. I don't know. I just want to shave them all off. I think that's what my next video is going to be. Giving myself bangs to cover my shaved off eyebrows. Oh wait, I touched my eyes. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna add just a pop of highlights just so that we bring that attention away from our eyes. And we're just gonna use a little bit on our fingertip, put it right on my nose. Get a little bit more and go right on my mouth. Get a little bit more and go in the center of my mouth, and then maybe just a little bit on my nose, but not too much because I don't want to draw attention to my eyes. For the last step, I'm doing this e.l.f. lip balm in the color 74613-2 8G02ED. I love that shade name, by the way. Here. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe for more illness and makeup related videos. Last tips, wash your hands, don't touch your eyes, and don't ever share your makeup with anyone, ever. Catch you guys later. Pray for my eyes and hide your eyes.